Maybe I sing with the birds because they don't have words. Maybe I try to translate what they would say. When I look this lovely bird, I can see how beautiful it is. And I wish we could respect all the creatures in the nature much more. Yay, yay, I sing for you, bird, fly free, go wherever you want. Yay, yay, I sing with you, bird, go free, you are lovely being. I want to sing you and say to you, you are love. And I am happy to hear your voice. And I have learned so much from you, seagulls. You use your voice so bravely like this. No, you are much more better to use voice than me. You can fly free, and I want that all creatures, that all the nature can live in peace with human beings. I wish that we could respect the nature much more. I wish that we could build these buildings full of trees. We could plant their trees. We could plant here some trees. We can learn to live in harmony with nature. We can learn to be in harmony with our nature. We can learn to heal. We can learn